Hey guys, it's Brian. We're back here with the Frostbite JL, and today we're going to be doing the second of our quarantine projects here in the garage. Today we're going to be putting on a Bestop Sunrider for hardtop. If you want to come over and take a look, this is what we got. Alright, so this is going to be the Bestop Sunrider for hardtops. This one I have is in twill, which is their higher end fabric. It's pretty nice fabric. It's going to hold up for the test of time. And the cool thing about this is it replaces the T-top freedom panels in your Jeep. And what you can do is just at a stoplight, you can flip it back, throw it open, and then close it whenever you need to. So this is a really cool replacement for those T-tops. It makes it a lot easier to get some fresh air when you're out riding around. All right, so let's go ahead and look at what it comes with as far as hardware. Come on over here. This is what's going to be included with the Sunrider. You're going to get a bracket. You're going to get two kind of countersunk washers there, and then you get 4 of these longer bolts and then 2 of these smaller bolts. These 2 smaller bolts are going to go in here, and they're going to fasten this to the hardtop, and then these 2 are going to be on each side of the Sunrider, and they're going to hold it to our sports cage. And then what you are going to need for this is a T40. That's what these are. And then I'm going to use an impact. You can use a ratchet as well. It's a pretty quick install. Let's go ahead and we'll get our T-tops off, our freedom panels, and then we'll throw this on. All right, so to get your factory freedom panels off your hardtop, what you'll do is you'll come on in here, and then Jeep has a couple latches like this. This will be similar to the Bestop, but then you'll want to go ahead and flip these guys 90 degrees. And you want to make sure you free all those up. Now, if this is your first JL or JK, they are similar. You do have to flip all these up, and you have to take the driver's panel off first, and that'll push up out through the top like this. And then once you get this out of the way, you can do the passenger side. All right, now that you got the driver's side off, just head on over to the passenger side. This will lift straight up here for you. And you do want to be careful pulling this out. You don't want to drop it. It is fiberglass. So let's go ahead and we'll throw these in the bag that Jeep provided. Alright, so now that you got these back in your Mopar bag, you can either throw these in the back of the Jeep or throw them in the garage. Now for the fun part, let's get the Bestop up there. Alright, then one thing you want to make sure this isn't folded over like that. Get that nice seal like that, so that way you don't get any rain drain down in there. And you also want to make sure this bracket is underneath this roll bar. This is where we're going to put one of the bolts up in here. But now that we got it seated, we can go ahead and start assembling it. Alright, so now that we got this on, go ahead and flip it back, makes it a little easier to work with. What you want to do is you're going to put one of the long bolts in up front here, so this just swings over. Put it up, and then just thread it to get it started. And then on the back here, what we're going to do is we're going to use one of those spacers that are indented. You'll pop that on your bolt, and that'll thread right into here. We'll go ahead and tighten these guys up. We'll just get them nice and snug, and then we'll head to that other side. Alright, now that we got both these sides cinched up, we're going to go ahead and put our bracket on that goes on the rear that'll attach the soft top part of this to the hard top. So what this does, this goes with your B up. This will go right up here, and then you'll see the 2 holes there where we got to put in our nuts. So make sure that's seated all the way. Then you throw these 2 smaller bolts in there, and then we are all done. Alright, so we'll go ahead and tighten this guy down. You want to be careful if you're using an impact like this. You don't want to get it too tight. But that should do her. So let's go ahead and we'll show you how she works. You got those all snugged up, you are all set. Now let me show you how this works. You just reach up here, you can flip it down just like so. And then these latches, these are kind of interesting. What you do is you pull forward, put your finger right there, and it'll latch, and then pop it up. And then same on this side, put your finger there, lap, and then you're all set, that's it. And then if you want to open it up at a light, all you gotta do, flip these real quick, and then you're open air. Pretty sweet install. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the install of the Bestop Sunrider for hardtops. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below. This one that I have is the twill one. And if you guys want to pick that up from my Amazon store, you can. Don't forget to go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer all those for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow along. We're going to be doing more of these quarantine videos. Alright guys, you have a good one. Take it easy.